everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy games on Epic Games. If you want to buy games from Epic Games, then first you'll need to open up your web browser and log into epicgames.com, or you can also open up your Epic Games launcher on your device. Also make sure that you are logged into your Epic Games account by entering your Epic Games credentials or choosing any other option. After you are logged into your Epic Games account, you can go ahead and look for the game you'd like to purchase from the store. Make sure that you are clicked on the store button at the top left and select the game you'd like to play or buy. You can also use the search box at the top and type in the name of the game you are trying to purchase. Select the game and then click on the Buy Now button. Follow through the prompts and enter your payment details. In the checkout page, check out with credit card or PayPal. You can also use the wallet balance on your Epic Games. Use the Epic Rewards option, and then after filling in all of the details required, click on Place Order at the bottom right. After you finish up your order placement, you'll be able to receive the game that you are trying to purchase. That is how you can easily buy or purchase games on Epic Games. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more of these tutorials. Thank you for watching.